Hello everyone, I am Tanweer Muhammad Ali Sayyed. I am the student of MPS Urdu School. I invite to you join Mumbai Public School. You know why? Because it is free to all. Almost 27 essential items of education are provided free. Best teacher, best principal are selected for our school who provides a quality education to all students. I invite all parents, students to join Mumbai Public School as early and possible and miss of my Mumbai Public. I am proud of my Mumbai Public School. Please join my school and meet me. East or West?